Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It is easy to make money if we follow the indicators properly. If we follow the indicators properly, we can make as much money as we want to. We can really roll in money. We can really make a lot of money if we follow the indicators properly. So today's trading day from 9:15 to 3:30. See the chart of 5-minute chart of Nifty and 5-minute chart of Reliance Industries. Both are quite identical. Not only the candles are identical, even the indicators are quite identical. At 9:15 itself, EMA cross, super trend, PSR, and Bollinger Band, all of them gave us the indication that the market is going to be up today, and that is the way it was. So you tell me how you cannot make money if you follow these indicators. That's why I keep telling, follow the indicators blindly. Of course, there will be days like yesterday when indicators would tell keep away, keep off, no trading today. Good. That is the way you save your capital and profit. And today, first thing in the morning, the EMA cross, super trend, PSR, and Bollinger Band, all of them gave us buy signals, and rest is history, as they say. Let us have a look at how the Nifty 50 components moved today. Nifty 50 components, 30 of them advanced and 20 of them declined. Here they are. Have a look. These are the charts. Use them well. Analyze them well so that you can be prepared for tomorrow. Likewise, let us have a look at Reliance chart for last couple of weeks. See how it was all red in the past almost 10 days, and last week or so it has started showing promise. That is how, if say for example, when it turns from PSR, for example, from 169 to 117, 95, 87, 82, the difference between the Nifty close and PSR, of course, when it is reducing the difference, the negative difference is reducing, and finally the positive has started. And if we follow them well, that way, of course, anything, for example, you take RSI. RSI, it dipped below 30, oversold zone, and last 1 week it started to pick up. That is how we follow them. That is how we make money. Say for example, histogram. Histogram, it's the negativity started reducing, and here the positivity started increasing. If we take the right decision at the right time, we can make a lot of money. Let us have a look at the other indicators. Let us look at all the indicators as they stand today for all the Nifty 50 components. These are, have a look. These are the Nifty 50 stocks, and these are the indicators, how they stand as of today. So if you see here, you can use these things to analyze any of these stocks, and you should do well, because these indicators are handpicked by me. I have backtested them for years together. Of course, all these things are done manually. I use database for last 20 plus years, and I update them each and every day. Every indicator I update them. I study the indicator of all these things each and every day, and that gives you a lot of information. It tells you stories. So that's it. Let us go to Bank Nifty indicators for last couple of weeks. These are the Bank Nifty indicators, and then let us go to Nifty chart, and this is the Nifty chart, and these are the indicators for last couple of weeks. As you can see here, very clearly, we can see the negativity is slowly reducing and positivity is increasing. Let's hope that, of course, nobody can stop the market to do what it wishes. Market is driven by money and power, the so-called liquidity. If tomorrow a big bear person with bag full of money comes and starts selling, market still can go down in spite of the positivity that we are seeing here. Nobody can stop that. But 70% of the time, these indicators come true. That's why we need to follow. And anything that is right 70% of the time will give us a lot of money. So follow the indicators blindly, and you can make a lot of money. This share market is a blessing to all of us if we are ready to follow it properly. If you have any doubts, if you need any assistance, feel free to call me or log on to niftyindicators.com. You can call me on 93726722102. Feel free. I shall try my level best to help you. Take care and God bless you. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care.